Anybody who wants to make shahada, please come forward. And then we'll do shahada, and after that we will resume the question and answer session.
Sheikh, she's a bit nervous. She's been with us in the family for 10 years. Her name is Judy. She's from the Philippines.
MashAllah.
And I'll pass on the mic. I think she's a bit nervous, and so am I.
MashAllah, sister, you're most welcome. Can we hear? MashAllah, the sister is overjoyed. Sister, can we have your name and your profession in the country?
Can you tell her how to recite?
Sorry?
She wants to perform shahada.
Okay, sister, do you believe that there is one God?
Yes,
Sister, do you believe that Jesus is God or Jesus is the messenger of God?
it's a messenger.
MashAllah. Do you believe that Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, is the last and final messenger?
Yes, I
MashAllah.
believe.
Sister, to accept Islam, there are basically two criteria. One forcing you to accept Islam.
No.
Are you accepting Islam out of your free will?
Yes.
MashAllah. I will just say the same thing in Arabic and you can repeat it. Ashhadu
Ashhadu
Allah
Allah
ilaha
ilaha
illallah
illallah
wa ashhadu
wa ashhadu
anna
anna
Muhammadan
Muhammadan
abduhu
Abdul
wa rasuluhu.
Mursulu.
I bear witness
I beg witness
that there is no God
that there is no God
but Allah,
but Allah,
and I bear witness
and I beg witness
that Prophet Muhammad
that Prophet Muhammad
is the messenger
is the messenger
and servant of Allah.
and servant Allah.
MashAllah. Sister, you're a Muslim? And I pray to Allah. The brothers and sisters are overjoyed. I know I can see the tears of joy in your eyes, sister. Even we are overjoyed because you have joined a family of 2 billion Muslims. And I pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that may He grant you Jannat al-Firdaus. The good point, sister, is that all your previous sins today are forgiven. The Prophet said, the moment you accept Islam, all your previous sins are forgiven. All the good that you did will continue. And the bigger sin you did in the past, it will be converted all into good deeds. So pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that may He grant you Jannat al-Firdaus. And inshallah, I pray to Allah that may He make you instrumental in guiding your family members, your parents, your brothers, your sisters, your friend circle. And you're in a country, good country, MashAllah, Oman. They have got good centers. Please be in touch with the Islamic Information Center, the Al-Hidayah Center, and with the Islamic Ministry. And if you have any question, any query, you're most welcome to ask them. We also have a platform called as Al-Hidayah, which is the halal version of Netflix. It is free. When I said Netflix, everyone understands. Netflix, everyone. Halal version of Netflix. It is the largest Islamic video on demand platform and the largest platform for Islamic courses in the world. Yes, sister. Jazakallah shukran.
So we have a group shahada now, but please, for the audience, hold on to your takbir until the end. We will do it together. Hold on to it.
MashAllah, we have here 6 additional sisters, MashAllah. Sister, please can you tell your name and the country where you come from? Please, each one can tell your name and the country where you come from.
Hi, good evening everyone. My name is Angelica from Philippines.
MashAllah.
Assalamualaikum. Good
Walaikum
evening,
salam.
everyone. My name is Judy and I came from Philippines.
MashAllah.
Good evening. My name is Joy. I'm from Philippines.
MashAllah.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Johannes from Philippines.
MashAllah.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sailin Junisha from Philippines.
MashAllah.
Hello, my name is Susel. I'm from Cuba. Thank you.
MashAllah. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. MashAllah. We have got 6 sisters, 5 from Philippines and 1 from Cuba. I would like to ask this question to all the 6 sisters. I think there are 6, not 7, 6. Yes, the last one is one. Sister, do you believe that there is only one God?
Yes.
All of you?
Yes.
MashAllah. Do you believe that Jesus is not God?
Yes.
You believe he is not God?
Yes.
MashAllah. Do you believe that Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, is the last and final messenger of God?
Yes.
MashAllah. Are you accepting Islam out of your own free will?
Yes.
All of you?
Yes.
Is anyone forcing you to accept Islam?
No.
Is anyone bribing you?
No.
Good, MashAllah. Because in Islam, we cannot force anyone to accept Islam. You can accept Islam with your own, if someone forces it, is wrong. So, inshallah, what you said, what I asked you in English, I'll say in Arabic, you can repeat it. Ashhadu
Ashhadu
Allah
Allah
ilaha
ilaha
illallah
illallah
wa ashhadu
wa ashhadu
anna
anna
Muhammadan
Muhammadan
abduhu
abduhu
wa rasuluhu.
wa rasuluhu.
I bear witness
I bear witness
that
that
there is no God
there is no God
but Allah,
but Allah,
and
and
I bear witness
I bear witness
that Prophet Muhammad
Prophet Muhammad
is the messenger
is the messenger
and servant of Allah.
and servant of Allah.
Takbir! 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 MashAllah, MashAllah sisters, we welcome you to the fold of Islam and we welcome you to the family of 2 billion Muslims. MashAllah. MashAllah, you have made them more happy than my talk. See, MashAllah. So many clap, MashAllah. Imagine you have made more than 5,000 people here happy. Imagine what thawab you'll get, all you sisters. You'll get the Prophet and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will give you multiple times more thawab than me, inshallah. The happiness that you have caused to the people here and all those who are watching, I pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that may He grant you Jannat al-Firdaus. I pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that may He help you guide your family members and your friend circle to Islam. If any sisters amongst these 6 sisters